Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure your earphones are charged and in pairing mode so they broadcast a signal. On your laptop open settings, go to Bluetooth and devices and turn Bluetooth on. This allows discovery. If the laptop has a physical switch or FN key combo, enable it now so the adapter is active. Once done, you'll understand why visibility matters. The laptop can only list devices that are actually broadcasting their Bluetooth name and profile. Next, you add the earphones in the laptop's Bluetooth dialog. Click Add Device, choose Bluetooth, and wait for the list to populate because discovery can take several seconds. Select your earphones by name. If a PIN request appears under the common codes like 0000 or 1234, this secures the connection. After pairing, accept any permission prompts so audio profiles install. Make sure to set the earphones as the output device in sound settings so sound routes correctly once pairing finishes. Finally, you verify the connection by playing audio and checking volume, then ensure the earphones are selected as the default output. If audio stutters or it won't connect, remove the device from Bluetooth and pair again. This clears stale profiles. If problems persist, update the laptop's Bluetooth drivers via Device Manager or restart the Bluetooth service. This resolves compatibility issues. One key tip: make sure the earphones aren't connected to another phone because dual connections often block laptop pairing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.